here we are back again. We're gonna fix Chica. There we go. Let's hope I don't mess it up. This is like 1 minute after I did Penny. Start game. I've never even had Chica's jump scare.
Welcome back to Parts and Service. There have been customer complaints about Chica's acrid smell. Sounds like Chica has been rummaging around the kitchen again. Remove all food particles from Chica's exterior and place it in the refuse bin on your right.
On the right. Okay, give me this. See? Not so bad. This. And then last but not least, this.
Good job.
Ooh.
Make sure Chica is not hiding any other treats inside her beak. To open her beak, carefully press the 2 buttons located on the sides of Chica's head.
Both? Okay, I'm sorry.
Oh no, it looks like Chica has picked up some unwanted friends. To clear the infestation, apply the Fazbear Entertainment Restaurant Grade Chemi Spray to Chica's exterior. Press the button under the hanging canister to activate the Chemi Spray.
There's a canister. Under what canister? Christ. Try to. Are you there? Any tape? Muffin. I hate you. Okay, let's restart. Oh my gosh.
Welcome back to Parts and Service.
Oh,
there have been customer complaints about Chica's acrid smell. Sounds like Chica has good job. Make sure Chica is not hiding any other. Oh no! It looks like Chica has picked up some unwanted friends. To clear the infestation, apply the Fazbear Entertainment Restaurant Grade Chemi Spray to Chica's exterior. Press the button. Avoid inhaling the Chemi Spray. Exposure to cleaning, disinfecting, and maintenance chemicals may result in respiratory problems, skin, or eye irritation. Good job. Now reattach Chica's upper arm, hand, and cupcake plate.
I'm sorry about that. Let me just... And your cupcake is
well done. Oh no! It looks like Chica needs another dose of the Chemi Spray. Do not let the infestation spread. Be sure to give the canister button another push as needed. Return the cupcake to Chica's plate.
Come here, bro.
Return the cupcake to Chica's plate.
I can't.
Place the cupcake on the plate. Place the cupcake on the plate.
Where? Where's the cupcake?
Return the cupcake to Chica's plate.
Come here. There you go.
Great job. Chica is ready to serve pizza and hugs to the kids again. Take a complimentary slice of pizza for a job well done.
Okay.
Delicious. See you next time.
Yep, see you next time. Hold on, before I stop. Yep, here we are. Balloon. I will take it. Give me this. Showtime. Let's go. Okay. Bye.